Are you using video marketing in your business? Video is the future of online marketing. Any business owner that still didn't start to use video marketing will be out of business in 5 years. Video will represent 82% of all internet traffic in 2021 according to Cisco. You need to start building a YouTube channel for your brand or business. YouTube is the second largest search engine and considered one of the top 3 most visited websites on the internet. This will help you to reach broader audiences. Building a successful YouTube channel needs patience and consistency. It's not an overnight success. You have to put in some efforts. The competition is fierce and there are almost 31 million YouTube content creators according to Social Blade, a website that tracks social media platform statistics. You need to stand out from the crowd. We will be talking about some tips to help you create a successful YouTube channel that people want to watch and follow. Tip number 1: Who are you? How to start a YouTube channel from scratch. You need to know yourself at first. What are your interests, what do you want to tell your audience, and how you will present yourself. To create a sustainable and successful YouTube channel, you need to build a brand for yourself. YouTube has no limits of the things you can do on that platform. Just find your path and focus on one thing you love, passionate about, and you are knowledgeable enough. How to make a YouTube video. Content is the king. You need to create content that your audience will love. You can create videos using your smartphone and no need to get fancy equipment for starting a YouTube channel. To be successful on YouTube, the quality of video plays an important role in providing the professional look your business deserves. How to create YouTube content. You have to start building relationship with your audiences by constantly uploading content to keep them engaged and interested to know more about your business or brand. They want to know how you can help them to succeed. You need to post videos regularly and make it a lifestyle. You should aim at least 1 video per week to provide your subscribers more chances to interact with your brand or business and steadily reminded of your channel. You need to find a new approach and an angle that differentiate you from the herd. Learn how to be different on YouTube. For example, when I started my own YouTube channel, Nosteroids, which talks about natural bodybuilding, I created videos that provide scientific-backed ways to build muscles and burn fat naturally. There are a lot of bro science and false information in the fitness industry, and my unique content set me apart from the crowd and other channels. Find a way to create a YouTube channel that is unique, easy to explain, and highly recognizable. Always ask yourself, what type of YouTube videos should I make? What do people want to see on YouTube? Try to find trending topics for creating your YouTube videos. This is how you plan your YouTube strategy, and you'll be well on your way to build a successful YouTube channel. Question: how many videos you publish per week? Tell us about them in the comments below. Tip number 2: what can you do? You have to take advantage of your personal skills and the equipment you already have. I have built my own channel with more than 100k subscribers and more than 10 million views using an average camera and no fancy lighting or filters. Higher production videos tend to get more attraction and more views on YouTube, but don't make this stop you from creating engaging content and build your fans, as you can be successful at all levels of production. Thousands of successful YouTube content creators are using only a smartphone. Think of YouTube channel ideas that sell and good concept for your channel. Spend good time doing a research for your niche on YouTube. Find who your competitors are and what makes them successful. Invest in your ideas and new concepts. Prepare a YouTube content list. Your video click-through rate will be negatively affected by using low-quality, normal thumbnails, and this is based on the fact that YouTube's algorithm evaluates your thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing that attracts viewers, and they must stand out from other videos. YouTube still uses the description and tags to show search results, but they favor video titles that grab the attention of viewers. Doing a good keyword research and including the main keyword in the title, description and tags goes without saying. To recap briefly, YouTube SEO consists of your video's thumbnail, title, description and tags. All these must be optimized to help your videos get higher rankings and more views. Tip number 3: who are your audience? The first and most important step is building your target YouTube audience. This will determine your YouTube channel's success or failure. You have to build a strong and good relationship with your viewers and followers. You will be able to tailor your content so you can target broader audiences as you develop your relationship with your target audience. Your content should be somehow entertaining, as the majority of successful YouTube content creators do. You should know how to attract YouTube viewers. Deliver the right message to the right audience through entertainment. The comments section of the channel is the best place to engage with your audiences. This will help you to grow more YouTube subscribers. Using YouTube to grow your business is considered one of the effective marketing channels to market your service or product online. Integrate your products in your video content to help your business to grow. It takes some time and effort to start a YouTube channel that people want to watch. If you include the previous YouTube tips for success in your YouTube marketing strategy as you move forward, you will be able to grow a successful channel for your business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.